Tonight we're going to review surface area of rectangular prisms from 6th grade. So the objective is I can find the surface area of a three-dimensional figure made up of polygon faces, and we're going to focus on rectangular prisms. Rectangular prisms are prisms that have actually all rectangular faces. And the reason they're named rectangular prisms, they have rectangular bases, parallel rectangular bases that will match, and then all the lateral faces are made up of rectangles. And so there's 6 faces. So to find the total surface area for a rectangular prism, you're just going to find the area of all 6 faces and then add them up. That's how we find total surface area, just like we would find a normal area. A lot of times if they want to know how much cardboard they need to make a box, that means surface area. How much wrapping paper to wrap a gift, that's surface area. It's how much do we need to cover the outer surface of something. So here's our example. Find the surface area of a rectangular prism with dimensions 3 inches by 4 inches by 6 inches. And we've provided additional drawings here for our figure so that you can highlight the faces we need to look at. You have to remember to find surface area. You're just going to find the area of each face and then add them up. So let's take a look at the area of the top and bottom face. So if I look here and I want to find the area of the top and bottom face, I need to know the dimensions of the top and bottom face. So I'm going to sketch in the bottom face, this rectangle. If I look at the dimensions for this bottom rectangle, I can see, oh, it's a 3 by 4 rectangle. Well, if the bottom rectangle is 3 by 4, guess what? The top rectangle is also 3 by 4. So to find the area of our top and bottom face, area of a rectangle is base times height. They're going to match. Opposite faces on a box have to match. And you can see 3 by 4 is our bottom face, 3 inches times 4 inches. If you multiply those together, that's 12 square inches. And our top face is also a 3 by 4. And so that will be 12 square inches. So if I was going to add up the bottom and the top face, the area of the bottom face plus the area of the top face, area of the bottom face plus the area of the top face, I'd get 12 plus 12, or 12 times 2, which is 24 square inches. Now I'm going to worry about the front and back face, because the front face and the back face have to match. I'll outline the front face. Although you can't see it, there's a matching back face here. I go ahead and try to sketch that in. There's the matching back face. Let's try to figure out the dimensions of the front and back face. If I look here at this back face, I can see it's 6 inches by how many? I have to know what's this length right here. Oh, well, if this is 3, if I slit it back, that's still 3. So it's a 6 by 3. So the area of our front face, it's 6 high, 3 long. Same with the back face. So the area of our front face and back face, if I take base times height, it's 3 times 6. That's 18 square inches. And the back face is still 3 by 6. So the area of the back face is also 3 times 6, or 18 square inches. So then if I take the area of the front plus the area of the back face, it would be 18 square inches plus 18 square inches, or 18 times 2, 36 square inches. All right, so now I know my top and bottom face, my front and back face. So on the next slide, I'm going to have to worry about each of the side faces. Let's go ahead and take a look. I'm just going to remind myself that the top and bottom was a total of 24 square inches, and the front and back was a total of 36 square inches. Now let's find the side faces. So for the area of each side face, if I outline this side face, I can see 4 by 6 are the dimensions of that side face. So the area of the side face, base times height, is going to be 4 by 6, which is 24 square inches. If I went ahead and drew in my other side face, that's also 4 deep and 6 high. That one would also be 4 by 6. So the area of that, base times height, is 4 times 6, or 24 square inches. Then I can do 24 square inches plus 24 square inches, or 24 times 2 would give me 48 square inches for the area of side face 1 plus the area of side face 2. They're going to match. The sides of the box have to match up. So I'm also going to then add on 48 square inches. If I add up my front and back face, my top and bottom face, my side faces, I add those all up, I'm going to go ahead and come up with my total surface area for this. 48 plus 24 plus 36, 108 square inches. 108 square inches. That's the total surface area of this beautiful rectangular prism. If you wanted to know how many square inches of wrapping paper you need to wrap a present like this, you need 108 square inches. All right, hopefully that's a reminder for how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism from 6th grade.